Welcome to our aloe vera gel production facility. Today, I'll show you exactly how fresh aloe vera leaves are transformed into millions.
Advanced automation carefully separates the pure inner gel while preserving its natural quality and freshness.
Every production batch is carefully filtered, tested, and refined to ensure exceptional purity and consistency. The efficiency rating improved this quarter.
Yes, the new palletizers made a significant difference.
Every bottle is thoroughly inspected before leaving our facility to ensure premium quality and safety.
And that's how fresh aloe vera leaves become millions of liters of premium aloe vera gel every day. Thanks for joining us on this factory tour.